there is inside the cabinets there. Whoa, look at that, folks. I hope it don't spray out water at me. Does it spray out water?
No, it shouldn't.
Okay. Yeah, maintenance guys here fixing the sink once again. Because if you can't, looking to break things, they don't look good here. Here's the light. This time all 5 bulbs. As you may see, it has all 5 missing in. But it zooms out as much as it can. Yeah. Look at him work, viewers. Look at him work. He's doing it with a wrench. He's fiddling with it now. He's trying to fix the bathroom. It did get fixed. But, Mason decides to break things. And there he is. I can't show his face, but I can kind of hear him. Yeah, do that one. Be very careful. Go ahead and open the hinges. Oh, and to come down on me. I hope it did not come down on me. They give me lots of splinters if it does. And I always say that. I put myself in risk. That is okay.
Yep.
What are you doing?
Trying to break this loose from the wall.
Yeah. Or are they gonna have to come in and fix everything in? Or are you gonna do it?
I'm gonna do it right now.
Okay. For farting and passing gas and everything. Mason, out of my room! Please don't hit me. Sorry about the bad video quality. I got distracted by Mason. Take a look what's inside the wall, people.
Set that on there.
Yep. Prying that open. Believe that got broke. Is the water off?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that water drop. It's dumping on the toilet.
Just a P-trap. That's all it is.
Yeah. In the sink. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Take a look at that.
Alright, now look out, 'cause I'm coming.
That's it for part 1. Goodbye.